USS Watson will arrive at the Cheongji port on the 16th to collect and disarm the remaining intercontinental ballistic missiles. This joint action will complete denuclearization.
Dear viewers, as I stand here speaking to you, we are experiencing an earthquake that is on. The cold thrust has collapsed. Oh, God! The cold thrust.
There are 4 magma chambers located under the Paektu Mountain. The remaining 3 chambers will then explode consecutively.
How much time do we have before it explodes again?
Breaking news! The Paektu Mountain has erupted. According to the latest analysis, it looks like there are 3 more giant magma chambers under the Paektu Sun.
We're sending you out on a new mission. Report to base immediately.
It's our job to fly there, dismantle a few missiles, and get back home safely, okay?
Consider him extremely dangerous, and whatever you do, don't let your guard down.
Protective suit.
I ain't over there. I sent a bunch of Boy Scouts. Maybe he's not even Lee. Had a little surprise visitor in the cell. Give me a gun.
What?
Went better than I expected it to.
If we don't stop them, it's over for the North and for the South, so uncuff me and let me out of here!
Do you really believe that we'll be able to get there on time?
But if we can hit it, we could stop the last eruption.